Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2019 Yamaha WOLVERINE X4. We have just installed the Yamaha full flip down windshield on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the windshield. This is a highly anticipated windshield for the WOLVERINE, and we finally got it in to show you guys a little bit about it. Installation is a breeze. You will need to install the clamps onto the windshield when it comes. You're going to have to install this button right here that the strap will hook onto, and then the bumpers that the windshield's going to lay on the hood. All you're going to do on a cool morning, you can have this windshield all the way open as it heats up during the day or gets covered with mud. You can take and open up the clamp on both sides. You'll notice I'm doing this with one hand, so it's simple, easy operation. You're going to take the windshield from both sides and bring it on down. You will be able to take your strap on both sides to secure it firmly to the machine. I would also highly recommend taking and shutting the clamps back onto themselves. That way they're not sitting there flopping around. What's nice about the half windshield option, as you're going down the trail, the wind's gonna come, hit this lip and deflect up over your face. So if you're 40, 50 miles an hour going down the roadway, that wind's not blasting you in your face. You can see the windshield is sitting on those bumpers there on the front. To take the windshield back up, you'll just open up your clamp, undo your secure strap, flip it back up, connect your clamps back up, and you're good to go again. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. My name's Jared. If you'd like to talk to me personally, 435-851-3637. Have a great day, everybody.